Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if you are facing the similar issue, automatic repair couldn't repair your PC. So this video is where I will show you how to fix this issue. So basically this issue occurs when your OS is corrupted, operating system is corrupted, sometimes the registry editor changes and sometimes the faulty software can cause this issue as well. Also if you have recently changed your hardware, so that could be the reason to get this issue or anything changes you have made related to your BIOS setting. So in this video I will show you how to fix it. Just click on advanced options here, then click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and if you know you have made the changes related to your the BIOS options, then you just need to click on UEFI firmware settings here, then click on restart. Now directly go into the BIOS options here and you can see here the setting F9 to save the default changes. Simply press here F9 like this and this will restore the factory default settings on your computer. Also what you can do is you can go to the your boot options here and under the boot options select your legacy boot, this option UEFI, and make sure the Windows drive is selected here. Your SSD should be showing up here. If that is not showing up here, you may have to replace your SSD. Additionally, if you can change the BIOS mode from legacy to UEFI or UEFI to legacy, that you can do that. But that is not recommended as of now since Windows 11 comes with UEFI firmware settings. So this option is not available for you. If you are using Windows 10, then you can select the legacy boot order. Other things rest will be good. Just write here F9 and hit yes. Now F10 to save the changes. This option is not working for me. I can select advanced options, then click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and click on here the option which says startup setting and simply open your system into the safe mode and then restart your system in a normal mode. And you can press here F4 key to enable safe mode. And safe mode is also not working in my Windows. In your window, if safe mode is also not working, that means that there could be the bigger level issue on your system. Then you have to select an advanced options, troubleshoot, advanced options, and choose the system restore this time and see that is working for you or not. It is also not working for me. I have left the last option, that is reset the PC, since command prompt is not working for me as of now. You can see nothing is working for me. If also nothing is working for you, just go ahead and reset your PC. Just choose this option, keep my files, and this option is all not working for me also. I can go with remove everything and choose local reinstall or cloud reinstall. Cloud will take 4 GB of your data, but if you don't have data, just go ahead local and simply reset the PC. Only the drive where Windows is installed, just remove files and you can, this is how you can reset the PC. So last option is reset PC since nothing is working on my Windows. Remove all personal files and account on this PC. Remove any changes made to the settings. Remove all apps and programs that didn't come with this PC. Reinstall Windows from this device. Just click on your reset option and now your PC is going to reset. Just plug in the charger and after that you will see all the factory reset will be done on your system and all the issues related to automatic repair will be fixed. If reset is also not working for you, I should suggest you to reinstall the fresh window by making a bootable pen drive or look for the hardware. So this is the solution guys, and I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.